and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, I'm going to try a snack, a piece of junk food that I have not had before. I was walking through the grocery store the other day, and I came across these Doritos Salsa Verde. So I believe that this means green salsa. Green salsa Doritos. So I'm gonna open this bag up and take a bite of one of these suckers and see what it tastes like. And you'll get the reaction. The first come reaction. Oh. The bag is just opened up. Ooh, look at all those Doritos inside. All right. Get a Doritos Salsa Verde. Looks like a normal corn chip, like a regular corn chip, off-brand corn chip, but we'll see how it tastes. Here we go. Yeah, it's got a salsa flavor to it. Doesn't hit you right away. It's more of the aftertaste there. When you first take the bite, it just tastes like a plain corn chip, but then you get the salsa taste. It's pretty good. There we have it. Doritos Salsa Verde. I'd recommend it. It's a good flavor, a nice addition to the Doritos family of flavors. So, if you like salsa, check it out. Take a bite. Well, thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.